Hello my beloveds and welcome to the beautiful island of Jamaica. It is so gorgeous here and I cannot wait to take you on all these amazing and exciting adventures. So come on, let's go! I've always wanted to come to Jamaica and so to be here is like the dream of a lifetime. I mean, look at this. It's stunning and I can't wait to take you guys with me and show you the whole thing because we are going to have an amazing time. I promise you. And I'm going to show you guys everything. I'm in heaven. So we're going to go and we're going to check on the waterfalls. Everybody says they're incredible. So I'm going to take you guys on a little tour of the waterfall. Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on, underway. Our first stop in this beautiful city is Dunn's River Falls. It was spectacular. Oh my goodness. This is so stunning. Look at these waterfalls. So I'm going to climb up and I'm going to take you guys with me. Okay, you guys ready? Let's go. Let's see if all that working out that we did throughout this year pays off. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Get good fast that I don't fall. The camera goes like that, you'll know I fell. Oh my God. Let's get this booty up there. The people in Jamaica are very friendly. This very handsome tour guide said, "Is that your boyfriend videotaping you?" I said, "No," and the next thing I knew, he scooped me up in his arms and said, "Okay." And we had the most fabulous lift right in the middle of the waterfalls. It was amazing. I'm going this way. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Just look at this design. Oh my God. Look at all the people below. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's amazing. This is truly amazing. These gorgeous waterfalls proved a perfect spot for Instagram photos. So as you guys can see here, I actually took off my little water shoes so that I could be barefoot in the photos. Those rocks, my beloveds, were so slippery. Oh my goodness. But trust me, it was worth it. I'm going to show you some of the photos here. They were amazing. So let's go ahead and head on to the next part of our Jamaican waterfall adventures. All right, come on, let's go. That was fun. Wow, that was gorgeous and amazing. Those waterfalls are spectacular. I loved climbing them. I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. And now I'm taking you guys on another adventure. Come on, let's go.
Yes,
yeah. ELIZAB. E. T.
Remember, when you go back, you put these together. Watch me now.
Okay.
You're going to say love,
peace, okay,
and togetherness.
Okay, I like that. Welcome, my beloveds, to gorgeous Bamboo Beach in Jamaica. Oh my goodness, I was such a happy camper at this beautiful beach. The water is like bathtub. It's unbelievable. This was one of my favorite beaches of the whole trip. God, this is amazing. Oh my God. The water, my beloveds, was so crystal clear, blue and turquoise, and it was so warm. I was in heaven. If you ever get the chance, I hope you get to go to Bamboo Beach. It's spectacular. My God, you guys, look at this water. It's crazy beautiful. I'm in love. I'm in heaven. This is so beautiful. The only thing is, I wish you guys were here with me. You know what? Let's do a retreat here sometime. Message me below and let me know if you guys want to come here to Jamaica, man, and do a retreat. I think that would be really fun. All right, on to our next adventure. All right, you guys, look, I have my own private cabana. I can chill here and just relax. Wow. And then look, over here is a gorgeous view of the ocean. I even have my own personal shade. It's amazing. Oh my God. Okay. LA, I love you, but Jamaica, you have my heart. Welcome to our next stop, magical Fern Gully. So we're in the Jamaican rainforest. No one is allowed to cut down any trees. I love that so much. If you guys look around, it's so lush. The sun is shining. It's the middle of the day, but you can't even see it because the trees are so dense and so thick. It's called Fern Gully. I'm sure you guys have seen it in lots of movies. And you should see the drive up, you guys. In the bus was like this. I was like, how's that little bus gonna get us there? It was like, Jonathan, how many curves to get to the top? 57. Come say hi. Come on over here.
Hello, YouTube. Yeah, this is our #1 driver in Jamaica, man. No problem, man. Irie, yeah, man. No problem. When you come to Jamaica, Jonathan will be your driver, man. No problem, man.
He's amazing. He took very, very good care of us.
Yeah,
Drives
man.
the bus like a Ferrari or a Maserati,
Yeah,
right?
man.
You did. Thank you so much, sweetheart.
No
so tell us
problem.
more about Fern Gully.
Yeah, man. Fern Gully, man. It used to be a riverbed, man. Water just coming down, but they paved the road now, turned it into a nice driveway, and this is our main road to Kingston.
How long?
Yeah, man. It's a 1.5 hour drive to Kingston, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. 96 kilometers, man. No problem, man.
Thank you, Jonathan. I appreciate you.
Yeah, man. No problem,
Much respect.
man.
Much respect.
Irie, man. Irie.
How amazing is that? I didn't even have to tell you guys everything. Jonathan did it for us. All right, so we're gonna hop back on the bus, and I'm gonna show you guys a little footage from the bus because it's really amazing. You know how some things are so beautiful. There almost are no words. It's like when I was in the ocean. Oh my God, it was so clear. I've never seen water so clear. I've never seen that color blue. It was spectacular. So, on to our next stop.
Look to your right, man. That's Ocherios right there. Over 25,000 people living down there. It's a big place.
And last but certainly not least is Shaw Park Gardens, which offered us spectacular views of the ocean, all of Ocherios, and of course our beautiful cruise ship. So come on, let's take a look. Look at this view, you guys. Spectacular. Oh my God, you guys. So much for cute hair. The humidity here is insane, but it's gorgeous. So I look like a crazy mess. So forgive that. And instead, let me show you this. Look at that. Oh my God. It's just stunning. Can you guys see? I want to make sure you guys can see that. Wow. It's beautiful. See wet all the way over there? That's our boat. And then that's the bay we went swimming at and the hotel we visited. And then we went into the rainforest. It's a great adventure. Oh my God. Okay, now it's time for us to head back. So now it's the end of our tour of Jamaica and we are getting ready to go back on the ship. They had these wonderful Jamaican dancers here for us. And of course, you guys know I love to dance. So of course, I had to jump in. And they were so cool and so gracious. They showed me their steps and even did some of mine. We really had fun. It was sweet. Here's the thing about dance, my beloveds. It's the international language of love, like music. It just joins us together no matter where we're from, no matter what language we speak. When it comes to dance and music, that resonates in all of our hearts. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. Crazy, crazy, crazy beautiful. Top of the ship, water slide. I'm going down the yellow one. Oh my God. Look, I look like a drowned rat. I'm soaking wet. I've gone down the slide like 5 times. Sometimes I feel like I'm 12 years young. You know what? Life is too short. We have to enjoy it like when we were kids, right? Even though we have lots of life responsibilities, we have to still enjoy. That means we have to enjoy it even more, right? Because we have all these life responsibilities. All right, wait till you guys see this. Oh my God. And look, I have to show you guys this. I went on that and I got to hang all the way off the edge of the ship. You're strapped in, but it's still pretty amazing. It's really cool. And then you zip line at the end. Of course I screamed because it was really fun. Goodbye, Jamaica. Hello, Cayman Islands. Look at this. Okay, look down here. You guys can see the pool? And then we're heading off. Amazing. Oh, look, that's the other ship. They were docked today in Jamaica too. This never grows old. Oh, look, you guys. Hello, Mr. B. Don't sting me. Oh my God. Okay, so see, we're just leaving Jamaica. Goodbye, Jamaica. I love you. I'll be back. I'll be back. Okay, you guys. Look at this. It's insanely amazing. Wow. Oh my God. Seriously, look at this. Oh my God. And I got the nicest compliment from that guy right there. He thought I was 35. I kissed him. I kissed him. I was like, thank you, Xavier from St. Thomas. It's so beautiful and so sweet. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, you guys, I just had to show this to you. Look at how gorgeous this is. Goodbye, Jamaica. It looks so pretty with the lights at night. It's just dusk. Stunning. Oh my God. Okay, look at that. Wow. Okay, now I'm going for an evening swim. Such a fun day. Such a fun day. Oh my God. Thank you so much, my beloveds, for coming on this adventure with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you get a chance to come to beautiful Jamaica someday. It really is magical. And remember, we have lots more island destinations to come. This was only the first of many on our beautiful cruise. All right, my beloveds, you guys know I love you. I love you to infinity and back. And remember, you can do this. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. Mwah. Ciao.